steamrollers, it is a single fan compound engine, and again, the range is very local to our area. It started its life working in Cheshire. It's the NA registration. Down to the middle of the arena on the right hand side, as I come to obstruct more people's pictures and get in the way, the two more unconventional steamrollers heading down the middle of the arena, the smoked boiler Wallace and Stevens Simplicity from Mike Salt and Daughters, as it says on the roof. With the smoking boiler, it's a 3-ton engine, and it was designed for burning 4 quality fuel and making steam quite quickly, followed by Jez Kirkwood and El Putty, the 1-ton steamroller, probably the smallest full-size steamroller in the UK. Then heading up around the top end is a first-time visitor, another first-time visitor to Onslow Park. This is Sean Skinner and family from Solihull with their
end of that line up, you know where
this engine started it's working like Mill Island before coming to the UK for preservation. So Sean family keep the engine at Hopley Heath.
So literally along that line up on the end.
Place there,
yeah.
yeah.